Now that the 2012 Atlanta Falcons cheerleading team has been decided, they're spending time together here at Lake Lanier for their annual retreat. They'll learn more about one another, get to know their responsibilities as cheerleaders and ambassadors for the Atlanta Falcons organization, learn choreography, and of course, have some fun. Here is an inside look. The weekend kicked off with the cheerleaders picking up new apparel and palms, essentials for their first practice as a team in a few short weeks. The ladies then spent the first night of their retreat getting to know each other. They made scrapbook pages that represented their personalities. Once everyone presented, they headed off to bed to gear up for day 2, one that is focused on learning the ropes of being an Atlanta Falcons cheerleader.
Today we had AFC 101, and I think we're having 102 later. We're just going over basic things, what's appropriate, what's not, and just really getting pumped up for the season and what to expect.
There's a lot of bonding, and we actually also learn about social media and a little bit about the program and our sponsors, and it's just a lot of fun, a lot of bonding and getting to know each other.
I'm having the best time so far. I'm loving every minute of it. We've all been getting along really well and just having the best time and learning everything you could possibly need to know or want to know about the Atlanta Falcon cheerleaders.
I'm really excited and just really glad to lend a helping hand and to be positive for the rookies.
The cheerleaders wrapped up the weekend by showing off their dance technique, perfecting other routines, and learning to work together. They put in a lot of hard work, and there's no doubt it will pay off. The cheerleaders retreat has been one of learning, bonding, and fun. The ladies have gotten to know each other even better, and we can't wait for all of you Falcons fans to do the same. For AtlantaFalcons.com, I'm Sarah Devine.